Welcome to Adventure Dining Guide, the show about eating civilized miles from civilization. My name is Michelle Shea, I'm your host, and I'm joined today by Stephanie Jury, who's a mountain woman. She can kill it, she can grill it, she can do everything in the middle. We're going to go do some snowmobiling today, and we're going to be cooking up some snowmobile sandwiches. And it's going to get gourmet, and it's going to be delicious, and it's going to be a fun day. So let's roll. Amazing. Should we head out?
Yeah,
let's do it.
With fire.
We're on top of Mammoth Crest. We have the beautiful Minaret Mountains in our background here. Couldn't ask for a better view, but I'm hungry. I'm ready for some lunch. Steph, what are we cooking up today?
On the menu we have a chicken parmesan panini, a grilled cheese, and a PB&J.
Oh, a little bit of everything. Yes. So how are we preparing these dishes?
On the muffler.
So tell us a little bit about how this is going to go down.
Well, I open up the hood and we put them right on top of the muffler where it's probably 300 degrees.
So we have it all wrapped in tin foil.
Absolutely.
So we can put theoretically anything that we'd like to heat up in tin foil and stick it on top of the muffler, right? Adventure Dining Guide, always an adventure. Alright, Steph, do you have any tips for this method of preparation?
The thinner things like quesadillas are cooking much faster. And then, if you have two sleds, the other person can hang out and watch the food, and I can go rip around. Like so.
The heat floats on top of our skin like an ice cube in a glass of gin. I can't even hear the words you say. I need to leave, but I want to stay.
It's gonna be amazing.
Oh, I can see the steam dripping off of it. Look at that. So this is our episode for today, some snowmobile sandwiches. Thank you so much, Stephanie Jury, for sharing your expertise and just ripping and doing great dump turns all day. Be sure to catch us next time, because if you love adventure and you love dining, Adventure Dining Guide is the place for you. Check us out online at adventuredining.guide.com. We're gonna go have some more fun.
Yeah.
Thanks!